In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the comments on your Facebook ads. Understanding the reactions and engagement on your advertisements is crucial for tailoring your approach and boosting your campaign's effectiveness. Whether you're new to Facebook ads or looking to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through each necessary step to ensure you're up to speed. First, we must navigate to the right place. Start by going to Facebook's Ads Manager. This is your control hub where you can view and manage all your ongoing and past advertising campaigns on Facebook. If you're there, you're on the right track. Once in Ads Manager, you'll need to direct your attention to the Campaigns tab. Here, you'll find a list of all your campaigns. It's organized to help you quickly find what you're looking for, whether it's a current campaign you're actively running or a past campaign you wish to review. Now, to get closer to the comments, click on the Ads tab. This will bring up the individual ads tied to your campaigns. Each ad has its own metrics and engagement, including the comments we're after. Navigating this section efficiently will aid tremendously in managing your ad's performance. After locating the ad you want to review, the next step is to click on Edit. This option will take you to the editing section of your chosen ad. It's a playground for adjustments, allowing you to tweak everything from the ad's copy to its targeting parameters. However, our focus here will remain on accessing the comments. Once in the editing mode, look for the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This icon signifies more options, and clicking it will reveal a drop-down menu filled with additional actions you can take for this specific ad. In this drop-down menu, your next click should be on More Options. It's here where Facebook tucks away some of the less frequently used but equally important features concerning your ads management. Finally, within these expanded options, you'll find the Manage Facebook Comments feature. Clicking on this will shift your screen to display all the comments that users have left on your ad. It's a direct line to seeing how your audience is reacting and engaging with your content. This feature is instrumental for various reasons. First, it can offer immediate feedback from your audience, showcasing what's working and what might need adjustment in your ad. It's also a platform for interaction. Engaging with commenters can boost ad performance and foster a community around your brand or product. Moreover, monitoring comments helps in managing your ad's reputation, allowing you to address any misconceptions or negative feedback proactively. Remember, the comments section is not just a feedback loop, but a goldmine of insights into your audience's perceptions and needs. Engaging positively and constructively with commenters can turn casual observers into loyal customers. Always monitor the tone and content of your responses, keeping them helpful and professional, no matter the nature of the comments you're addressing. In wrapping up this tutorial, I hope you found these steps straightforward and easy to follow. Managing Facebook ad comments might seem like a small part of your advertising efforts, but make no mistake, it's a powerful tool in understanding and enhancing your ad's impact. Take the time to regularly check these comments, engage with your audience, and use the feedback to refine your ad campaigns for better results. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to see Facebook ads comments. Whether you're adjusting your strategy or just keeping an eye on audience reactions, knowing how to navigate and utilize this feature is invaluable for any marketer. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you navigate the digital marketing landscape more effectively.